Hey everyone, it's Anna from the Devel team. Today we are going to build a custom frontend experience connected to an existing Wix site, so you can manage your entire business from the one place while creating additional apps or experience around it. So if you already have a Wix site and you want to extend it with custom app, mobile experience, or any other frontend, this video is for you. For this example, we are going to build a loyalty app for a coffee shop using a Wix as the backend. You can build a frontend with any framework or AI tools that you want, but in this tutorial, we are going to use Claude Code to generate the app and Vercel for hosting. Here, as you can see, we already have an existing Wix site for the coffee shop, and we are managing the business through the Wix dashboard. Now we want to create an additional customer experience. In our case, we will build a loyalty app. Instead of rebuilding the backend from scratch, we can simply connect the app directly to the existing Wix site. That means we keep using the same business data, members, CMS, collection, and management tool while building a completely custom frontend experience. So let's start preparing our Wix site. First, we need to make sure the site is published. Without it, we won't be able to connect our app to the Wix site. Next, we will go to the setting and search Headless setting. This is where we manage the connection between Wix backend and our frontend experience. To connect to our frontend app, we first need to create a client ID. We will click Create New Client, enter a name, select the client type, and choose our stack. Wix will automatically generate a code snippet for us, and you can see that it's already included the client ID, so we can simply copy and paste it into our AI tool. We can always come back here and copy the client ID again if needed. Now let's move to our development tool. We will use Claude Code, which is already connected to Wix MCP. Wix MCP gives the AI agent access to Wix tools, API, documentation, helping it generate Wix-compatible code and integration much more easily. Now let's write our prompt and describe the app we want to create. We will explain the feature we want in the app, specify where we want to host the frontend, and where we want to manage the backend. In our case, we will make sure to specify that Wix should be used the backend and that we want to use Wix MCP for that. It's very important to include your client ID in the prompt so the connection will work. Now let's run the prompt. At this point, the agent starts building the app. During the process, it may ask for permission to use Wix MCP, so make sure to approve it. We can also see all the code the agent generates here on the side. Go through it and make any changes you want if needed. Now let's run the app so we can see the result, and it already looks pretty amazing. Now let's jump to the Wix dashboard. Here we can see the agent already created a new CMS collection for the app. In our case, a loyalty cards collection used to store the loyalty data. One important step here is configure the collection permissions. For this example, we want site members to be able to view their own data, while only admins can create, update, or delete. Once it's done, don't forget to click Save. Now for the app to fully work, we need to deploy it. In this example, we will use Vercel, but you can host your app in any platform you prefer. First, we'll create a new GitHub repository for the project and push our code there. Then we will go to Vercel, click Add New Project, select the repository we want, and deploy the app. After deployment, there are a few extra steps we need to complete so the connection between our app and the Wix will work. First, we need to authorize our deployment domain in Wix. We will copy the deployed URL, go back to Wix dashboard, open Headless setting, click the three dots near to the client ID, and choose Settings. Under Allowed Redirect Domains, we will paste our deployed domain. Then, under Allowed Authorization Redirect URL, we will paste the full URL and add login callback at the end. Make sure not to skip that part, otherwise the sign up and login flow won't work. Next, we will create an API key for our Wix account so the app can access the permission it needs. We will go to manage.wix.com, open account setting, go to API keys, and click Generate API key. We will give the key a name, choose the relevant permission, member and CMS collection, and create the key. After verifying the account by email, we can copy the API key token and add it to Vercel as an environment variable. We also add the client ID as another environment variable. And because this app includes seller experience, we'll create an admin pin and save it as an additional environment variable as well. Now let's try the app and see how everything works. We will create a new customer account and open a personal area. Then we will switch to a seller site and add a purchase for the customer. And if we go back to the customer app, we can immediately see the loyalty card update with the new purchase. And all of this managed directly through Wix Business Manager. If we go back to the dashboard, we can see the new contact, the CMS data, and all the business information connected to the app. So as you can see, you can build any custom experience you want to run your Wix business while still managing everything the same place. Thanks so much for watching.